Dictation number 21. Ready, start. Sir, I am grateful to the leader of the House for giving me an opportunity to raise the voice of education during this discussion that is taking place on the appropriation bill. Not many points have been made regarding the Ministry of Education, and I shall try to deal with such of those as have been made. As a matter of fact, if my friend had not spoken, there would have been very little left for me to speak as far as the reply to criticism of the ministry is concerned. Before I go on to the subject, the marathon attack by my friend as made on the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and by implications possibly on the Vice President of the Council, I would like to deal with some of the other criticisms which have been made about the question of growing deterioration in the quality of education and about the problem of education. Also added to the problem is unemployment and the point that was made that adult literacy has not been attended to with the attention that it deserves. These are the general points that were made yesterday. On the first subject regarding the question of deterioration in education, quite honestly, I am prepared to accept a blanket charge that there is a deterioration in the quality of education. What I would concede is that there has been a very fast increase in enrollment at all stages of education, and the extent to which we have been able to balance the increase in enrollment with the required increase in equipment, buildings, accommodation, laboratories, and the needed experienced teaching personnel has not been adequate. But that, I am afraid, is one of the inevitable penalties of rapid growth. Sir, I would like to point out that it will be very unfair on my part of this House on the basis of any personal impression that individual members may have gathered to condemn the whole system of education and to say that all the 60 or 65 million young boys and girls who are studying in our schools are getting inferior education, and that our 20 to 22 lakhs of boys and girls who are studying in our colleges are getting deteriorated education. I think this kind of a thing only lowers their morale. I can understand if we can do something, as for example, this House is able to persuade the Deputy Minister and the Finance Minister and other authorities concerned to place at the disposal of the Education Ministry, not only in the center but also in the states, something like 300 or 400 crores of rupees more, then we will be able to do something in the matter. But when we know that such a thing is not possible for us, then to keep on saying, as many of us have been saying, I know with very good intentions, and still we have to keep on saying that education is deteriorating, that education is going down.